Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check iOS version and battery level, then install the location changer from the App Store. Once done, open Settings, tap Privacy Location Services, and make sure Location Services is on. Next, find the app entry and choose Allow while using app or Always if the app needs background updates. This initial permission step is crucial because the app cannot spoof your location without system access. Now return to the app to begin the actionable setup. In the app, pick Manual or Favorites to control where your iPhone appears. Use the search bar to type an address, drop a pin on the map, or enter exact GPS coordinates for precision. Once you pick the spot, configure how the app should behave. Static location for a fixed point, simulated route for movement, or joystick for live control. Make sure to set realistic speed and timing if using a route, because some services detect unnatural jumping between points and may flag your account. When your settings are ready, tap Activate or Start and accept any system prompts the app shows. This often involves a temporary VPN profile or local VPN permission to route location data. Immediately verify success by opening Apple Maps or a location-aware app. You should see the spoofed position. If the location does not change, force quit both apps and try again or toggle location services. If persistent issues occur, reinstall the app or reset network settings as a last resort to clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.